happy Friday. Happy Friday. Hey, right now I'm doing my due diligence today, taking care of a couple things. I'm checking on the truck right now, one of the units right now. I'm sitting in it right now. Sometimes you got to keep track of your investment. You got to know what's going on up under the hood. You got to know what's going on inside. You got to know what it's looking like. Just check up on your equipment. Okay, now that that's done, y'all wanted to know why I'm going to get rid of this driver. I'm getting rid of this driver because we got a quality company. You don't understand. This company is ran in a quality manner. We don't have no bad vibes. We don't have no negativity. We try to have quality equipment. We try to have quality customers, and we also make sure that we keep a standard. You know, in business you got to have some sort of standard that you live by, and you can't let nobody come from the outside and compromise that. You know, your reputation is everything when you coming up in business. Your reputation, as far as you starting out as a company, you setting the tone for how you guys are gonna perform going toward the future in your company. So make sure you don't let anyone in your environment, in your business realm, in your personal life, in your professional life, in anything that you got going on, compromise you and what your foundation is. Because soon as they do, you might lose yourself, or they might cause you to lose thousands, if not millions of dollars. So just understand, sometimes you are the company you keep, but you got to make sure you're doing your proper due diligence when it comes to interviewing drivers, or when it comes to bringing anyone into your organization, whether it be a hair salon, whether it be anything. Just make sure you're doing your due diligence and making sure you know who these people are. Peace. My issue with him is that his attitude can be negative. I don't like negativity. It drains my spirit. The complaints. I don't like when people complain. You don't complain not one time when you're given an opportunity of your lifetime that has changed your life. You never complain. Number 3, I like good character. I like hard workers, you know. I just like those characteristics about people. I like loyalty. I like honesty. I like longevity. Those 3 things. If you ever get around me and you start to complain too much, you lying, I can't trust you, you're giving me an unsteady feeling that you might just at any point you unstable, you know, to where you about to leave, I'm not going to invest more time into you, more effort. I'm only going to do as much as you want, what you show me that you need. So my thing with him is, he's not showing me that he want to stay around. And if that's the case, I release you. I release you. I'm not finna keep you around. I release you. I release you. So if that's what the type of energies he gonna bring around, the universe has spoke to me, and the universe has said release him. So I don't let anybody stick around me if they don't want to be around. That's just not my style. I don't beg for friends. I'm not begging for employees. There's other people out here who want to make money. Like, he's not doing me any favors by working for free. But I do appreciate his efforts in the helping building the business alongside myself and my other colleagues. So maybe it'll work out, maybe it won't. But I will have this conversation with them, and we all will meet as a team and converse together.